Hi, and welcome to PartsCheck. Are you still pricing, ordering, and receiving parts the traditional way? Have you ever measured the time you spend pricing parts and entering data back into your quoting package? How do estimators know if they are making potentially poor selections that can impact your bottom line when pricing parts? PartsCheck is like having an extra member on your team. It eliminates the need for data entry, emailing, faxing, and numerous phone calls previously required for collecting quotes. Your suppliers will send back the quote by your requested time. Then it's as simple as making your part selection and clicking Save. Information such as part numbers and prices will flow seamlessly back into your quote package, eliminating that time-consuming process of data entry. It really is that simple, and it's free for repairers. For more information, go to www.partscheck.com.au.